This is the 2022 Frankia integrated i8400QD Platin luxury motorhome. Costs €202,000 in this condition, and I am going to attempt to show it to you in under 3 minutes, which is about 20 minutes less than it deserves. Well, I've got a queen bed here. That's the Q in the name of it. Wardrobes either side of the cute queen bed. Television up here, down here, chest of drawers, and in the double floor, which you can't see because the carpet down to protect it, there is additional storage. Shower, very large, and opposite the shower we can find the toilet, and we can even close the door to separate the vehicle. Next to this we have shelving, pull-out shelving, which we could use for clothing or cans of beer for when we're in the shower. Heating is via an Aldi system, very efficient. The heating there as well. In the kitchen we've got this big fridge, we've got an oven, we've got 2 burners, and we've got a molded sink. The technology of this vehicle is very advanced. It's got all sorts of electrical equipment, and of course we can keep an eye on what's going on from up there. I shall now take you around the outside of the vehicle, and storage for the gas goes there. Plenty of storage cupboards on the outside of it, and can't show you on that side. What I can do though, I can take you to the back and show you the garage, which is down here. So this vehicle is nearly 9 meters in length. Fantastic amount of storage there, and there's a spare cassette for your toilet. Right, so I don't like having to do a van like this in so quick a go, but at an event like this there are plenty of other people wanting to see the vehicle, so I have no choice. Right, so that is the Frankia Platin in Dusseldorf 2021-2022 model. Thanks for watching.